Well, I've been teaching a seminar over the years at the Henry Stewart conferences, specifically about connecting DAM to other systems in enterprises. And over the last 2 years in particular, we've gotten more and more people in that seminar. And people have said, I'm really struggling with the challenge, not just to get more DAM adoption, but also to connect it to all the other systems that are in my enterprise. And so we said, well, there's so much detail about this topic. There's so much out there about this topic. Let's turn it into a series that's much more extensive than the seminar I've been teaching at the conference, so that people can get into the details of the different systems to connect to and the how of doing it, how to approach it. Well, really anybody who works in digital asset management would benefit from attending this online series, because when it comes to DAM and the next generation of DAM, it's not just about implementing a DAM, it's also about connecting it across the enterprise. How does it relate to product data? How do we get assets out into our other marketing applications? So it doesn't even just have to be DAM managers, not even people who just work in DAM, but anybody who works within marketing technology that maybe needs better imagery, needs imagery delivered more effectively, needs to figure out how that video should end up on the website. How do those complementary technologies come together in order to create an effective campaign, in order to do marketing better? So it's not really just for DAM managers, it's for anybody who works in marketing technology that needs to understand DAM better. So the online series has 6 different sections, which I've very deliberately separated into different integration areas or different touch points for DAM. So in the first section, we'll learn about what are the typical touch points and connectivity points for a digital asset management system. But then we'll go through all of those one by one. So we'll talk about web content management, we'll talk about product information management, marketing automation, social media technologies, and the key takeaways will be, how does DAM connect to each of these? How does DAM supply assets to each of these technologies? And if you're a marketer, you'll learn how to better use digital assets and digital asset management systems to be more successful if you're using those different tools. On the flip side, if you are a DAM manager, you'll learn how to prepare those assets better so that all of your colleagues in those downstream systems can be more effective. So those are some key takeaways, and I would also add that we're culminating the series with how to build a strategy. So if you're thinking about how to work better with your colleagues, how the DAM should work better with different systems, the whole thing will come together to the last section around, okay, you're going to be ready to build a strategy, and you're going to really have a plan for integrating your DAM across the enterprise. I would say that one of the most exciting parts of it is that people can come to the seminars with their questions. So it's, even though it's an online seminar, and there'll be a number of people all online at the same time, we're going to reserve about 20 minutes at the end of each one for people to ask me questions. And that'll be fun for me because it'll be a challenge, and I hope people will come with challenging questions. But I think that's the added value, that you get a bit of consulting and you have the opportunity to ask whatever you want, and I'll do my best to answer it on the fly.